Damn. Apparently we got no heating here. It kicked just fine so far. We'll wait and see. We'll cycle it. Let's get the flames popping over here. It's supposed to be like this. No flame up to here. Look at this. We got flames. It's burning right here. It's not supposed to. This is the right way. Damn. That's gotta be a lot of Venus championship. Okay, we fingered the manifold nozzles, you know, and now it's working as it should. See now the difference? Yeah, I thought it was a clogged Venus championship.